Amukira ngeithi ciakwa mwiroreri wa ceceni ya Inooro TV haria hothe uratwamukira uri anicirikitie kwihanda thaa 10 tore ngukwirire nigukorwo ngicokereria nigetha ngumenyithi maria tugukorwo twamukirite matemoini ma Inooro thaa ici hwaini ni ritwa riakwa njitagwo Ikua wa Boci. Na tukiambiriria ni ati riboti iriga kurekererio ni muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu ayahithuritie ati muigana wa ciringi bilioni 44.8 iria cionganirio kugerera mutambo wa eCitizen mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2023 na 2024 itiramenyekana kuria ciathire. Kamiti ya bunge ya bururi ya guthurima mathabu ma muingi igitabania giikaro gia kwaririria thina uyu kuhithuritie ati mabilioni ma mbeca makoretwo makirutwo kuma mutambo-ini ucio na gutumwo kuri kambuni itari cia thirikari na oho kurerikana ciringi milioni 492 ni ciarihirwo kambuni imwe ona thengia wa gukorwo andi akuruhanitio mihango-ini ya guthondeka mutambo ucio.
Irregular payments of eCitizen platform support and maintenance contract. So this is where the electronic Citizen Limited was paid. The expectation that we had is that the payments were to the parties of the contract. And therefore, that's why we identified that this payment, we could not see them in the contract that had been signed and the contract given to us. So the first thing is we flag it we did not, I will not say that we did not raise the veil. It was not in our interest to lift the veil at this point.
And you are talking about money, funds, and you know what is happening in this country in terms of these days people are not stealing from banks using guns. They are still using these systems. So, Chair, I don't know. We have to listen. Maybe we'll listen to the PS for National Treasury, but that is not enough, because if you look at what has been raised here, this system is domiciled in three: ICT, Interior, Treasury. I don't even think we need the PS here. We need all the CSs here.
Because I know that on Thursday we had agreed, and yes. I don't know whether you ruled.
Yes,
that
it's coming.
Not just PS. Did you also rule that we're inviting these companies? Because we need to invite these companies. This is total fraud. And we will not be going anywhere if we don't get to the bottom of it. And the PSs will not help us. We want to know who's behind these companies.
Yeah, we had invited the PS, but not with the companies.
Tugitigana riboti ya mutambo wa eCitizen ati ruhonge rwa borithi niruo rutongoretie hari gutabania ciiko cia ungumania na gwitia mahaki. O ni kuringana na riboti irerekereirio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini EACC. Oho ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti KRA na undu umwe na macibu ni maturanĩirwo hari aungumania aria mari muhari-ini wa mbere.
In terms of most corrupt government agents department, the Kenya Police, the Directorate of Immigration, and the Registrar of Persons stopped, but the Kenya Police has the highest level of perception, as you can see by the bar that is shown there. Traffic Police was specifically identified, the National Treasury, Civil Registration, Internal Security, Social Health Authority, Staff, State Department of Lands and Fiscal Planning, as well as the State Department of Medical Services.
The National Ethics and Corruption Survey 2024 findings indicate the need to prioritize corruption awareness among citizens. As we saw in the data that was given, many Kenyans have come to believe that unless they give something, they will not receive the services from government offices that they require. In particular, you saw how certain areas, certain services have been marked very strongly. Employment and the seeking of employment. People are ready to pay a lot of money. I don't know whether you noticed. Up to 250,000 on average. That is not little money. For a person who is seeking employment, willing to pay up to 250,000 so that they can secure that position. And that is average, which means some people pay more, some people pay less.
Maafitha a borithi mwena wa Moro ni maikitie ngono mundurume umwe na kuhithukira nyumba imwe iria ikoretwo igithondekerwo njohi itari njitikirie hindi ya mungururio ucio. Njohi muthemba wa muratina makiria ma lita 860 ni uhithukirio. Kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Moro Timon Odingo akiuga miungururio makiria ni gutafanio icigo-ini itiganite cia Moro.
Hindi ya mugururio uria ugutongoretio ni maafitha a borithi tauni-ini ya Moro umerekeirie nyumba-ini imwe tauni-ini yo na kuhithukia kuria njohi iria irekwirwo ni muratina irugagirwo.
Manufacturing ile tumepata hapa ni muratina, na muratina yenye tumepata total yenye unmanufactured yenye bado iko under process ni 1260 in drums ya 210 liters. Around 6 of them ilikuwa being manufactured. Na kati ya hizo drum ingine tena tukaendelea na inspection tukapata drum ine ya 210 which gives us 860 processed muratina.
Kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Molo Timon Odingo uria ugutongoragia birigicani iyo augite ni meguthie na mbere na gutafania miungururio ta ino tauni-ini ya Moro.
Tunahimiza watu kama watakuwa wanakunywa pombe wasikunywe pombe yenye ijaangaliwa. Hizi pombe yenye mnaona inafanywa juu ndio inaumiza watu yetu ya Molo. Tumekuwa na outcry, pombe inaendelea kuumiza watu na vijana na watoto, na mkiangalia hapa hakuna mahali imeonyesha ya kwamba watoto under 18 are not allowed.
What I'm going to promise wananchi, the multi-agency team is in place and the crackdown is going to continue.
Oritie ahuri ya biashara awendia wa njohi gutigiriria mari na marua ma wendia wa njohi na oho gutigirira ni marendia njohi iria njitikirie.
Hii manufacturing anafanya haina license. Ya pili, the hygienic condition ya hapo tumekuta ni very bad.
We are going to ensure that people take quality substances which have to follow the processes of proper manufacture.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Moro kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, ni njitagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.
Tukima kaunti-ini ya Naikuru tuthiginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kajiado. Kuri ikari aitura ria Korinko mwena wa Loitoktok kaunti-ini ino ya Kajiado maraikara na haho gutharikirwo ni ngari na hiti iria ikoretwo igithiururuka gicigo-ini kiu na kuria mahiu mao o muthenya. Aikari aya maugite gwa kahinda ka wiki igiri riu nyamu ici cia githaka ikoretwo ikihithukira ng'ondu na mburi muthenya na igacoka kwihitha. Arithia a mahiu riu makiuga ni mathiete hathara nene. Riu marenda ruhonge rwa kuramata nyamu cia githaka rwa KWS weka mituki na kunyita hiti ino magitigira atharikira makiria ginya kuri ciana ikinya ria naihenya ringiaga gutacukio.
Kwa wakati huu tuna hofu sana kwa sababu kuna fisi ambaye anatembea huku kijijini na anakuja mapema saa 2 anakuwa amefika anarandaranda huku. Hivyo basi tuna wasiwasi mwingi. Tunaomba KWS waje warudishe huo mnyama wao kwa sababu hata anakula mbuzi zetu, na hata tunashukuru Mungu kwa upande mwingine kwa sababu wanaume wetu walikuwa wanakuja saa 6, sasa hivi wanaingia saa 12.
Anakula hata umbwa zetu na anaingia hata kwa zizi, anashika mbuzi, anashika hata na kondoo, na tuna hofu nyingi sana. Hata wakati wa kutembea tunatembea na shida. Kwa hivyo tunaomba KWS waje katika eneo hili, wamchukue fisi huyo, wamrudishe mahali ambapo anapostahili porini, ili tupate amani.
Na tumepata shida kubwa sana mambo ya mafisi na chui. Siku hizi tumeweka kafyo, hatuwezi kutoka kuachilia watoto jioni sababu ya mafisi. Juzi tumepata chui ambaye ametoka ndani ya mabua na akakimbilia maeneo ya kiwanja ya ndege. Na tunaomba tu WS akuja ashughulikie hizo vitu zao, arudishe sababu tumepata shida.
Tukihoka ruhonge rwa KWS ndio gitacukia mituki niguo gutigirira magicokereria nyamu icio kuria ciagirire. Nie ngeto ikuwa mucigia na wiroreri mwega mohoro mangi na njira nyandanduku ni ciarikia kwihanda Inoro hwaini na Inoro thaa 3 mari umuthi megukorwo magiterebwo ni Gicimu Joseph. Gĩa na wiroreri mwega, Ngai wa muoyo akurathime.